students, today I am going to discuss about 5th standard science subject in term 3 lesson 2 animals. In last class we have studied about reproduction in animals. In reproduction in animals they have two types, sexual and asexual reproduction. Let us continue to the topic of sexual reproduction. This is the topic embryo formation. The embryo continues to develop the uterus and it is developed into body parts such as head, face, hands, legs, etc. based on whether the embryo develops outside or inside the body. Animals are classified into oviparous and viviparous respectively. Once again, animals are classified into two, oviparous and viviparous. This is the embryo formation. Let us brief about the oviparous animals and viviparous animals. Animals are classified into oviparous and viviparous. The first one, oviparous animals. Animals in which embryo develops outside the body are called oviparous animals. Animals in which embryo develops outside the body are called oviparous animals. They produce their offspring by laying eggs. They produce their offspring by laying eggs. In the case of birds, new ones are produced from the eggs. The egg cell protects the embryo from outer environment and the embryo receives its nutrients from the egg yolk. In these animals, the newborn one will have different developmental stages. For example, butterfly. In butterfly, there are different developmental stages. Butterfly stages are egg, larva, pupa, adult. Each stage is different. The process in which a butterfly becomes an adult is called metamorphosis. The life cycle process can take a month to a year. The butterfly, there are the different developmental stages like egg, larva, pupa and adults. Let us brief about the stages. The first stage, eggs. The first stage, a butterfly lays eggs on a leaf. Butterfly lays egg on a leaf. These eggs are very small and round. About 5 days after the eggs are laid, a tiny worm-like creature will catch from the egg. About 5 days after the eggs are laid, a tiny worm-like creature will catch from the egg. Next one, caterpillar. That is known as larva. This is the second stage is the caterpillar. It is also called larva. It looks like a worm. It looks like a worm. The caterpillar starts to eat leaves and flowers once it has hatched. The caterpillar starts to eat leaves and flowers once it has hatched. It grows very fast because it eats a lot. It grows very fast because it eats a lot. As it grows fast, it sheds its old skin and gets new skin. A caterpillar shedding its outgrown skin is called molting. A caterpillar shedding its outgrown skin is called molding. This is a second stage of the caterpillar stage. So, caterpillar is the other name larva. Third stage is the chrysalis. Its other name pupa. It is mostly brown or green. It is mostly brown or green. This is the resting stage. This is the resting stage as well as the changing stage. So the caterpillar turns into a butterfly. The caterpillar turns into a butterfly. This is the pupa stage. It is mostly brown or green color. It is a resting stage as well as the changing stage. So the caterpillar turns into a butterfly. This is the third stage. Then fourth stage, it is a butterfly. It is known as adult. In the fourth stage, the pupa opens and a butterfly comes out. A butterfly is sometimes called an imago. It is also called as adult. So butterflies are very colorful. Butterflies are very colorful. When the butterfly first comes out, it is very tired and so it rests. Then the butterfly will lay eggs and the life cycle will start all over again. This is the fourth stage. In this stage, the butterfly comes out. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.